So Britney Spears just sold her music catalog for $200 million. And if you're like me, you'd immediately start thinking about what that means for her tax bill. Britney is actually already involved in a little bit of a dispute with the IRS over some money she allegedly owes from 2021. So when this 200 mil hits the bank account, is the IRS saying, hit me baby one more time? It turns out that there's actually a pretty good tax benefit to her with this move. This is not toxic. This is actually a pretty good asset allocation. So because Britney has developed this catalog of music over time, because she's held it for so long, when she sells it, she's only going to have to pay tax at a capital gains rate, which is much lower than an income tax rate. So this isn't a situation where she's looking at paying a potential 37% or higher federal tax rate, plus the state taxes on top of that. She's going to be taxed at a much lower rate. So why does this matter to you if you're a business owner and you don't have a music catalog worth hundreds of millions of dollars? Well, because if you ever go to sell your business, there's what's called a purchase price allocation that should be done as part of that transaction. And depending on how you categorize that purchase price, certain items may be taxed at an ordinary income rate. So if you're being paid for a non-compete agreement, for example, or if you're being paid to provide ongoing services to the buyer, you're going to pay ordinary income tax rate. But if you can allocate a portion of that purchase price towards other assets or towards goodwill of the business, you may only pay a capital gains rate. So this is a really important part of planning when it comes time for you to sell your business or exit your business. So this is a really great way that Britney went from stronger to a stronger balance sheet. She's now got the cash in the bank that she can do whatever she wants to with. She's exited this opportunity at a relatively lower tax rate than paying the ordinary income that she would have paid on the royalties she gets from that catalog. And she's got this big cash event now so that she can do some really cool stuff with it.